welcome back. Guys, my today's video is very interesting because it happens with me all the time that whenever I have to get ready for office every morning, when I have to go somewhere, I don't find anything for myself. I literally don't find anything to wear, and it's not about that I have nothing to wear, I just don't find it. So, and I think it's just not about me. It's a very common issue. Sometimes we got bored of the stuff that we have and we just ignore completely. हम उसे देख के भी अनदेखा कर देते हैं. We are like हमारे पास कुछ नहीं है. But this is not the correct way. And this is not a solution video actually. It's just about how can we think in a different way, how can we style in a different way, and we just have to look around and हमें कुछ ना कुछ तो जरूर मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. So this is about that. And what I did actually, I just borrowed 4 items from my mom's wardrobe, and basically I never think कि मैं अपनी mom से apart from saree I can take it something, because we are of different sizes and we having a different styles. But when I tried it out, it really came out well, and I thought कि अब आपके साथ share करना बनता है. So this is about this video. So guys, now I am showing you the items which I borrow, and first one is the one that I am currently wearing. This is a long kurta. It has this lovely design and print and pretty blue color. So this is the first one. So guys, the second one is this short kurta. This is the one. It has this lovely I just love the fabric and the print and everything. It's very soft cotton. So this is the second one. The third one is this shirt. So this is basically a blue shirt, and it will be a perfect oversized shirt for me. It's the basic blue, and I'm just loving blue currently, so I just love this shirt. Yeah, so this is the third one. So guys, this is so basically the last one, and it's a dress. It's a lovely, I just love the color combination thing and everything. It's very unique, it's very soft, and it's really tight for me, so obviously it's very comfortable, and basically I just love this one. So guys, these are the items which I picked basically, and before going to the video, I just wanted to tell you that please subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel, and give me a big thumbs up if you are liking my videos and the content that I am sharing, and hit a bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will get a notification and quickly watch my videos. So let's go!
So guys, for my first look, I styled this long kurti as a dress, and you can always use belt to highlight your waist. It is slit both sides, so I just wore black legging inside it, and you can exercise with matching earring and you are good to go. Second look, I style the short kurti as a tunic and complete the look with white comfy casual sneakers. So it's a very comfy casual look. You can go to college, you can go for shopping. The third look is basically this oversized shirt, and you can style this shirt in many ways. You can tuck in or you can make a knot the way I did. It's a very stylish look, and you can make it even more stylish with these hoops like the way I did. Last look is basically dress. So I styled this dress in 2 ways, one without denim jacket as you can see, and one with denim jacket. So it's a very tailored, you can just go out with your friends, you can hang out, even you can go for a party, you just need a good pair of heels.